Hi guys, it's Legionero. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 5 of our 12 days of DIY Christmas gift ideas. And today we're doing a card holder. Alright, so in this video I will tell you all the measurements and everything that you need for this card holder. I'm using a cork fabric, but you can use cork, leather, faux leather to make this quick and easy project. So let's get started. Let's look at what you're going to need. A couple of these things are optional, but you're going to need 2 pattern pieces. Or you can just draw out these pieces yourself using a fabric pen. One of them is 4 inches by 2.5 inches, and I will put these in the description box below as well as on the screen. And the other one is 4 by 6 inches. Alright, so the 4 by 6 inch you cut 1, and then the 4 by 2.5 inches you cut 2. I'm using a cork fabric, but you can use a faux leather, a leather, any of those things to make this project, right? And I'm not lining it, so that's why I'm only cutting one piece and these 2 pieces. I'm not using a lining because the cork has a nice backing on it. Right, you're going to need your scissors. Rotary cutter is optional. I use the rotary cutter to just make sure that when I cut my cork fabric it was nice and neat. Some wonder clips, because you don't want to use pins. You don't want to use those on cork or faux leather or leather. Now this is optional. A little ruler. This helped with my rotary cutting. Some double-sided tape. This is optional as well. I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. And this is a brayer. This is also optional, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. All right, so let's get to it. Take your 4 by 6 piece and you're going to place it with the wrong side facing up. And the reason why I say this is optional is because I'm just going to use this to hold my pieces in place, but you can definitely use clips here. You don't have to use double-sided tape to hold it in place. All right, you can definitely use some clips. All right, so your 4 by 6 piece, your wrong side is facing up. So take one of your 4 by 2.5 pieces. You're going to place them with wrong sides facing. All right, so you'll be able to see the nice side is facing up. You'll take some clips and clip it in place. All right, I'm just going to flip this around, and you do the same thing with the other piece. But this one I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the double-sided tape. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take some double-sided tape and place it down on the edge here. Just take a pair of scissors and cut. And then I use my brayer just to kind of go over it, because you know sometimes it's difficult to peel up the backing on the double-sided tape sometimes, so this makes it a little bit easier. Right, so I'm just going to peel this backing up. I'm going to take my other 4 by 2.5 piece and just place it down. And if you're using double-sided tape, you can put it on the side as well. Right, that will just help hold this in place. Then I take my brayer again and I just go over it again. Alright, just to help things kind of stick and stay in place. So what you're going to do, you're going to take this to the sewing machine and you're just going to sew about 1/8 of an inch all the way around. All right, you don't stop here. You can backspace a couple times here if you want to, just to kind of secure it, because you'll be taking cards in and out. It's up to you, but you're just going to sew all the way around. So believe it or not, that's it. That's all you're doing for this card holder. And you just take it and fold it over. And if you want to kind of hold it in place for a little while, you can just kind of take some wonder clips and I'm just like right on the seam allowance there. Depending on the fabric that you're using, sometimes these wonder clips will leave marks. They go away eventually, but that is an option. And you have a quick and easy card holder. Or if you're like my mom, you can use this to hide money. She hides money in all different types of crevices in her purse. And another thing I just thought about, you could do some decorative stitching on this, so that will work out nice as well. All right, so that's it. That is your quick and easy card holder using a cork fabric, or you could use a faux leather or leather. It's up to you, but that's a nice quick and easy project. All right, that's it, guys. Now you have your quick and easy card holder, and I can just place my cards here on the inside. Hard to do this backwards, but I can just place my cards on the inside and it closes up nice and neat. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in day 6 of our 12 days of DIY Christmas gift ideas.